Good morning, good morning, good morning. Uh, this is Sabrina's cleaning tips and tricks this morning, and I wanted to talk about how I prioritize a client's home. Do I start cleaning by room? Do I start cleaning, how do I do that? It's something that I do, and each house is different. For me, each house is different. So for this house, for instance, I like to come in and the first thing that I like to do is I like to dust. Top to bottom, I like to dust. In every single room, just dust. Then I'm going to go around and yes, I carry the trash bag around or the trash can everywhere I go because if I don't, I'm going to leave paper towels and this and that laying around and then I'm going to have to go pick them up. And I don't want to do that. So then I go around and I take my trash can, I take my paper towels, and I take my glass cleaner, spray away glass cleaner, and then I go from the furthest window away and then all the way until I'm in the kitchen or wherever that room ends. For this house, it would be the kitchen. So in the back room, I'd start with the windows, each window, and then I'd go to the bathroom, do the mirror, and then I go into the bedroom and the bathroom in the back, and then I do the mirror, and then I do the long mirror out in her bedroom, and then I come out here and I do all the windows, and then when I'm done cleaning the kitchen, then I do the microwave front. Not cleaning the kitchen, but the next thing that I do after the dining room is I clean the top of the microwave, and then I clean the inside, and then I immediately go out with some Orange Glow for the stainless steel, and then I do my spray away glass cleaner on their microwave. It depends on, like I said, it depends on what house. The next thing that I like to do is, well, now I have to think about it. The next thing that I'm probably going to do now is take my vacuum and vacuum everything. The room in the back, the dog's room, I do have to pick that up and I do have to make the bed, but I'm going to start vacuuming the rooms that I can finish, and then I will go and clean the bathrooms and then mop, and then I'll be done. And that's how I do things. If you find a different way, or if you like to do things per room or however you want to do that, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to do something different. I'll try to do it that way, and then I can say, oh, I really like that better, or I like to stick to my own. Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. Thanks.